OSM Software Systems is an innovative world of gaming and networking which takes you on a journey towards your financial freedom. We have our own platforms for games and social media. These are some of the applications developed by us for worldwide users. Booze Adventure, Ludo Champ 2020, Asteroid Attack, Pick Flick, Pout Shout, Space Shooter, Ludo Skill, and many more games and social media platforms coming soon while getting ready to hit the market with a bang. Platform Analysis. In this digital era with over 450 crores of Internet users worldwide, 56 crores of the global Internet users are from India. Out of them 40 crore users use social media platforms, 30 crore users play online games, and 33 crore users shop from e-commerce sites. Gaming. Number of active users in the gaming industry were 1.99 billion in 2015. This figure gradually increased year by year and stands at 2.69 billion by 2020. There is an expected total number of 2.95 billion active users by 2022. Social media. Every business runs on an idea that is successful, and social media platforms are making a revolution in this. Numbers of active users in the social media industry were 2.07 billion in 2015. This figure gradually increased year by year, with an average growth of 10%, and stands at 3.80 billion by 2020. It is a subscription-based gaming module, where the users just spend $32 for playing the games, for minimum 15 minutes to earn daily bonus of 45 cents. The package needs to be renewed in every 99 days for you to get $40.50 on each subscription. Level income. You will get 5% from each direct joiner under you. There are a total of 7 levels of income. In level 1 you will get 5% of total income. In level 2 you will get 10% of total income, and it goes on till level 7 with an increase of 5% in each level. In level 7 you will get 35% of total income. Level income table. Assuming that here are 15 people on first level, and everyone is introducing 15 people. Level 1 will have 5% of 45 cents as income for each person, making it a total of $0.3375. The percentage will keep on increasing by 5% in each level, till level 7, increasing the income per level. Level income example. The example ahead will give you a brief idea of your maximum earnings in each level, from level 1 till level 7. 7 level income. In order to earn the 7 level incomes, the users must meet the conditions of minimum direct referrals in each level. In the first level, the users must have 1 direct joiner to earn 5% level income. For the second, third, fourth and fifth levels, the user must have 2 direct joiners to earn 10%, 15%, 20% and 25% level incomes respectively. For the 6th and 7th levels, the users should have minimum 3 direct joiners to earn 30% and 35% level incomes respectively. Loop income. There are 6 types of ranking system: Star, Silver, Gold, Platinum, Diamond and Crown Diamond, with different capping amount and respective level income conditions. 1. Star rank has a capping of $25 per day with no conditions. 2. Silver rank has a capping of $100 per day. The condition one has to meet on a silver rank is that one leg should earn $25, and the other leg should have a total of $25. Overriding income. If a user's income is $700 and has a capping of $500, which means the user gets only $500. The remaining $200 is equally distributed in maximum 7 people. The eligibility for being a part of these 7 people is that you should have a short income, and your daily income must be a minimum of $25.